So I'm trying to start with a small audio setup just to see if everything is working. Yeah, so let's try it. What I've done till yet is I set up my project. This is real front-end mentor challenge. I have to build this personal finance app. Let's try it. So I think the sound sounds good. So let's give it a try. So like I said, what I done till yet is just I set up my project. This is a React project. The point is I'm trying just to use to build the UI, but I want to give the possibility to have like subscribers or users and authentication. But for now, it's just at first it's just about the UI, bringing everything to work, and afterward we're gonna start with a JSON file. This one was provided from the challenge mentor. All the data is hard coded inside, and afterward I think I think I need to figure out which backend I want to use for that. I have already seen that something like Prisma with Postgres perhaps could be a good solution for that. Yeah, let's give it a try. I'm not there is no expectation right here. If someone is in the chat, yeah, we could chat together, learn together, and they are probably gonna make mistakes, and yeah, there is no expectation doing that. Just I'm doing that for fun. Just for me, I'm a front-end developer. I have 5 years plus. I worked 5 years in the web development industry, full job, and that's it's like a side project what I'm doing right now. I have already a lot of projects what I've done. This is my portfolio. Yeah. I live in Germany, that's why it's in German at first time, but I can change it to English just to show a little bit what I have done, and what I have like background. I'm a front-end developer, like I said. I have a design background as web designer. That was at first, but the code is I love to code so much. That's why this is now my path. I work with programs like Adobe Creative Cloud, like Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, Adobe XD, or it's not about for my purpose. It's not about being pro in Photoshop and or Illustrator, but I use it to develop my icons or logos and Figma, Adobe XD, Illustrator, Photoshop. For development, I have already done some project using Next.js. This portfolio is using Next.js too, React. But I worked in my full-time job. I work with Typo 3 and WordPress most of the time, because it's more easy to have a backend and to have a user interface for when the users some content in the website, when they need to change some content. Typo 3 and WordPress is more easy for them, and for me as a front-end developer, I don't need to worry about databases and back-end stuff. Communication, I talk German, French, English, and Arabic. Just English is just like, I try. So sorry for that. Some projects what I've already done. This is my portfolio. This is here. All these projects are like side project. What I've done. This is my private time, and the last one is like an online shop, audiophile. Now this one was particularly nice and challenging because it's using Shopware 6 headless for the back end, and all the data, it's just about APIs to get the data for that from there. This is the live project. This is also a Frontend Mentor challenge, and all this data is coming from the Shopware headless backend. So that means when I see, for example, all this articles is coming from there, and here I'm using here Next.js just for the front end part and the communication, the API part. When there is some things here like stock live. Yeah, like I said, if you use the add to cart, can it be added? Dann kann man we could go to the checkout page, give the data. This is all. There is no. It's not working. It's just smoking. All that. So yeah, that was the project. I have some other project here. Like I said,